chumbi nyako Ramogi kendo wadugane e boma ma Nairobi kama nitiere twak kata bura madhi nyime gi sani. Piny owacho okoni dipo ka chik ma Doho ne ogolo ewi chik manyien mar osuru okelo nok mar omenda. Okil mar piny owacho Githu Migago owacho ni piny owacho kata sirikal ok bi nyalo chulo jotije mage kod chulo chenro mamoko mag piny owacho ka Doho ok opwodho chik mar omenda mondo mi odhi nyime gi tich. Kata kamano, Seneta ma Busia Okiya Mutata to dwaro mondo Doho ogol chik mager ne piny owacho kuom kadho chikno ma ok giluwo kenge kod chike kaka katiba dwaro. Koro wadani wawinjane achiel kachiel kaka burano dhi nyime e od yalo buche kata Doho ma Milimani bura Nairobi kama bende itime e yor lony manyasani.
Yes.
My lady, I was saying,
Yes.
because I was again mute.
I'm also experiencing challenges with my connection. It had gone off a bit. So the last thing you said was fallback position.
Article 222
Yes.
of the Constitution states that if the Appropriation Act for a financial year has not been assented to or is not likely to be assented to by the beginning of the financial year, the National Assembly has the discretion to authorize the withdrawal of money from the consolidated fund. It is not automatic. It is another contentious parliamentary process. So it is not true that there is a continuing right of government to appropriate money in the absence of an appropriation act for the financial year. That is not true. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you. Very briefly, Senior Counsel Amolo.
I request that I go before Senior Counsel so that Senior Counsel can wrap up things.
Okay.
Kindly, if I may go before.
Only on that issue that Senior Counsel has alluded to.
Yes, my lady. First of all, it is two things have become apparent from the submissions of Professor Githu Migago, which go to the heart of the problem we are facing, and the fact that he was an Attorney General under the last administration for some time. The issue, and also Professor has not read our petition, is proceeding from an academic position. One of the issues in the petition is that the budget estimates did not have revenue estimates. And we are saying that without revenue estimates being appropriated by Parliament, you cannot then begin fundraising money. What we have, the Appropriation Act we have, is an Expenditure Appropriation Act, not a Revenue Appropriation Act, which should be funded by the Finance Act. So we are saying the issue is the Appropriation Act. The budget policy statement is not in the Constitution. It only comes up in the Public Finance Management Act as a policy guide. Article 222 authorizes spending of half of the 2023-2024 budget, if the Appropriation Act has not been passed. We have to differentiate between provisions of the Public Finance Management Act and the Constitution. The Finance Act does not authorize expenditure. It is the Expenditure Appropriation Act which authorizes withdrawal of revenue against Revenue Appropriation Act.
It does what? Just a minute.
It authorizes withdrawal of revenue.
Just a minute. It authorizes? Unmute yourself. Senator, unmute yourself.
Sorry, my lady.
Yes.
Koramoni kama kaka weche chalo edo ma milimani kama twak kata